In this video, we'll see how we can count total number of imported CAD in Revit using Dynamo script. You can see from manage link, there are two CADs linked here. This is linked 2, this is linked 1, and this is imported CAD. Now let's go to Dynamo. See, two nodes, import instance and import instance report.name. These two nodes will be required, and these two nodes are coming from BoolMask nodes packages. I have already installed this package, so if you go to the help, you will find the same information here. See here, boolmask.com. So let's close everything and start building the script from scratch. First type here report instance. See, this is our first node, and now type here report.name. And this is our second node, and connect this. We will run this script using Dynamo player, so I'm just connecting multiple nodes here to get the output from Dynamo player. Now search list.count and connect string to list input and run. See, it's showing 3 here. Now we will need one string and one code block, creating here two inputs for the code block. And connect integer to y and string to x, and in string we are just writing total number of CADs. Now search for a node that is list.unique and connect code blocks output to list here. Run. See, it's showing total number of CAD is 3. Connecting a watch node at the end. See, it's showing the same result. Just right click on watch node and check is output, and also rename this as a result. And saving this Dynamo script as test. We are now closing the script here, and we will run the script from Dynamo player. So just click on Dynamo player and see, test is here. Click here and run. See, total number CAD is 3. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.